Can you imagine a classroom where every student has a personalized AI tutor, adapting lessons to their unique needs? This is the future of education. Welcome to the world of AI in education, where personalized learning and streamlined operations are revolutionizing the classroom. AI is not just a tool, it's an ally for teachers, enhancing learning experiences and saving valuable time. From presentation makers to virtual teaching assistants, AI is transforming how we teach and learn. But with great power comes great responsibility. Ethical considerations are paramount in AI adoption. The advent of AI in classrooms marks a paradigm shift, creating dynamic learning environments tailored to individual needs. Teachers now have powerful tools to focus on fostering intellectual and emotional growth in their students. AI-powered tools support speech, language, and even physical therapy, ensuring no learner is left behind. Beyond learning, AI handles administrative tasks, significantly reducing the time teachers spend on routine work. Virtual assistants create interactive lessons and quizzes, freeing up time for direct student engagement. This time-saving assistance allows teachers to focus on interaction, empathy, and motivation. Real-time feedback from AI assessment tools helps students quickly identify areas for improvement. Imagine a student struggling with a math problem. AI provides instant, contextual answers, guiding them forward. Duolingo Max uses generative AI to give feedback on pronunciation and fluency, exemplifying real-time learning support. AI presentation makers like Slidespeak.co and Slides AI transform documents into captivating presentations. These tools integrate seamlessly with productivity suites, making presentation creation efficient and enjoyable. Virtual teaching assistants automate lesson planning and classroom management, enhancing teacher-student interactions. Adaptive learning platforms like Khan Academy tailor content to each student's pace and ability. Quizzes contextualizes questions within real-world scenarios, making learning dynamic and relevant. Embrace the AI revolution in education. Explore new horizons, innovate, and reimagine teaching and learning. Let's shape the future together.